Hi guys. We're going to do a breakdown of an incident, an accident that happened last May 29, 2022, here in our barangay Pandak in Pavia, the circumferential road portion, wherein it resulted to the death of a couple, wherein it was reported the lady was 2 months pregnant. This involves an SUV that crossed the center line onto oncoming traffic and onto the motorcycle where the couple was riding. So we're going to break it down frame by frame. Hopefully, we'll have some analysis. This is a Sunday, not much traffic, so vehicles are kind of going fast. At this point, though, you can already see this Jeep signaling its headlights onto something here that we were not able to see, no? Still not on the view of the camera. But he's trying to signal visually to something. Uh, Behind him is a motorcycle wherein a couple was riding on it. So by the time this SUV appeared on the camera, the vehicle has all half of the vehicles already crossed the center line. This Jeep here has maneuvered slightly to the right to avoid him, to avoid the SUV. And the couple's motorcycle was sandwiched between two vehicles, an SUV and a car, and a motorcycle. So the distance from the motorcycle to this vehicle, the SUV that hit him, is less than a second. A second or less than a second from this camera position, from this camera angle right now. It's really less than a second. So even if they see and react to this, it's going to be too late. See, this Jeep was able to evade this oncoming SUV. By this time, as we can see here, the SUV driver has not applied any brakes. There's no brake lights on. By this time, the couple on the motorcycle already sees the imminent danger in front of them. This motorcycle here prepares to maneuver to the left. This is less than half a second. The distance between them is less than half a second. And we can tell from the distance over time, the SUV is probably running around 70 to 80 kilometers per hour. And this motorcycle over here is probably running 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. In the next video, we will see that the SUV driver still is not aware of what's in front of them because there's still no brakes being applied. The motorcycle tries to brake and skids sideways. Because of that, this guy here has already started maneuvering to the left, so he's out. Even to the point of impact, the SUV driver has not applied brakes. It was only a little bit later, wherein the couples were already flying, that he started to apply brakes. As if he did not see the couple in front of him, in front of his vehicle. Wow, such a waste of life. This is avoidable, guys. Some people alighting from the vehicle, and they seem to be very, very young. Teens, probably. So, anyway, we don't really know what happened inside that SUV. We're not being able to see what's in front of the road, what's in front of him on the road. But we can really infer he has not applied brakes, not until he has hit the motorcycle and the couple's already flying. That begs a lot of questions. Why? There's a study in Australia that half of the road tragedy, the road fatalities are a result of speed. And on that study, they determined that if you go beyond 60, uh, the likelihood of you hitting somebody in front of you within the 30 to 40 meters is very, very high. In every 5 kilometers above 60, doubles your chances to hit somebody in front of you around 30 to 40 meters. So if you're running at 70 kilometers per hour, with no brakes, it's really, really tragic. With the speed involved, SUV running around 70, the motorcycle probably, because he has applied some sort of brake, probably is running around 30 kilometers per hour. The physics of that impact sealed the couple's fate. They were not going to survive that. So it's really tragic. So you determine the speed, but physics will determine if you live or die. That's from a road safety commercial. So guys, so I leave you with that, and the lesson of this is, keep it under 60, save lives. Thank you. Like and subscribe.